हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की ये वीडियो होने वाली है जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया के जो पीएचडी के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम हो चुकी है। तो उसका ये क्वेश्चन पेपर है, पेपर वन क्वेश्चन पेपर है, ये पेपर वन का है ये। जो 30 नवंबर में पीएचडी एंट्रेंस हुई थी जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया के फैकल्टी ऑफ सोशल साइंसेज के। तो ये पेपर वन का क्वेश्चन पेपर है। यहाँ पे टोटल 100 मार्क्स कंटेंट थे। यहाँ पे टोटल 100 मार्क्स थे एंड क्वेश्चंस भी 100 थे। टाइमिंग थे 2 आवर्स के लिए। तो आइए क्वेश्चंस को देख लेते हैं। पेज दिया जा चुकी है, ठीक है। हालांकि इसका ये जो क्वेश्चन पेपर है इसका अभी तक कोई आंसर की डिक्लेयर नहीं की हुई है ऑफिशियली। तो आप लोग सिर्फ इसका क्वेश्चन ही देख लेना, ठीक है। पेपर वन का ये क्वेश्चन ही आप लोग देख लेना। ये आंसर जो किया हुआ है इस क्वेश्चन पेपर में, तो ये करेक्ट हो भी सकता है, हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है। अभी ऑफिशियल आंसर की आने के बाद ही पता चलेगा उसका। तो अभी आप लोग सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस देख लेना। The first question was the degree to which results of a study can be extended to other settings or conditions is termed as, ठीक है। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन था इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट academics produce research that can be widely used and valued by academic community around the world. This is called, ठीक है। थर्ड क्वेश्चन था these are hypothetical attributes that help explain and predict behavior in a theory. Then 4 number question था method of defining and measuring a construct is called, क्या बोला जाता है। 5 number question था when the measurements of a construct accurately predict behavior, the measurement procedure is said to have, क्या बोला जाता है। Then 6 number question था dash is the degree of agreement between two observers who simultaneously record measurements of the behaviors, ठीक है। 4 ऑप्शन है ये, मल्टीपल साइंस क्वेश्चन थे सभी, ओएमआर सीट वाला। Then 7 number question था dash helps in pre-classification of variables and causal inferences. 8 number question the points of scatter plots will seem randomly distributed among the quadrants when little dash exists between the variables, ठीक है। 9 number क्वेश्चन तो देख लेते हैं मीन डिफरेंस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज, क्या बोला जाता है, आप लोग देख लेना। The degree to which an instrument really measures what the intends to measure is called, ठीक है। Number 11 question semi interquartile range is also known as, what do you consider as the main aim of interdisciplinary research, ठीक है। 12 number question। Then 13 number question the first step of research is, क्या बोला जाता है। Then 14 number question a research paper is brief report of research work based on। 15 number question in the process of conducting research formulation of hypothesis is followed by। 16 number question generalized conclusion on the basis of a sample is technically known as। 17 number the experimental study is based on। 18 number the main characteristics of scientific research will be or is। 19 number question authenticity of a research finding is its। 20 number question which technique is generally followed when the population is finite, okay। 21 number question research problem is selected from the standpoint of, research problem से भी question आ चुकी है। Then 22 number question which one is called a non-probability sampling, okay। 23rd number question which of the following sampling method is appropriate to study the prevalence of age among male and female in India 1996, 2006 and 2016, ठीक है। 24 number question the basis on which assumptions are formulated, क्या बोला जाता है उसको। 25 number question if a researcher conducts a research to finding out which administrative style contributes more to institutional effectiveness, this will be an example of, क्या बोला जाएगा। 26 number question देख लेते हैं normal probability curve should be। Then 27 number question which of the following sampling methods is based on probability। 28 number question which one of the following references is written according to American Psychological Association format, APA format, ठीक है। 29 number question the variable which impacts the relationship between an independent variable and a dependent variable is known as। 30th number question the conclusions findings of which type of research cannot be generalized to other situations। 31 number question in qualitative research paradigm, okay, which of the following features may be considered critical। Then 32 number question, in research on the effect of women's education on response to domestic violence, the hypothesis formulated is that women's literacy level do influence her response to domestic violence. At the data analysis stage, a null hypothesis is advanced to find out the tenability of research hypothesis. On the basis of the evidence available, the null hypothesis is rejected at 0.01 level of significance. What decision may be warranted in respect of the research hypothesis? Okay, यहाँ पे यहाँ से कौन सा आंसर ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट होगा आप लोग देख लेना. 33 number question, which sequence of research states is logical in the list given below? Okay. Then 34 number question, the issue of research ethics may be considered pertinent at which stage of research? 35 number question, which of the stage of activities best indicate the cyclic nature of action research strategy? 36 number question, identify the correct order of the following components which are interrelated in research. Okay. तो देन नेक्स्ट हम लोग देख लेते हैं 37 नंबर क्वेश्चन. ये रिसर्च मेथड्स है, लिस्ट वन में दिया गया हुआ है रिसर्च मेथड्स एंड लिस्ट टू में दिया गया हुआ है क्रिटिकल फीचर्स. क्या क्या होगा इसका? एक्सपोस्पेक्टिव रिसर्च, केस स्टडी मेथड, फिलोसॉफिकल मेथड एंड डेस्क्रिप्टिव सर्वे मेथड. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, ए रिसर्च मेथड इन विच ए ग्रुप इज इनवाइटेड टू डिस्कस द इशू ऑफ ए स्टडी इज नोन एज. 39 number question, dash is the study of interpretations of text in humanities. Then 40 number question देख लेते हैं हम लोग, late motive means. 41 number question, exaggerating emphasis on structures assumed to underlie activities or interactions refers to. 42 number question, dash refers to acknowledge the inputs of researchers in actively co-constructing the situation which they want to study. Okay. 43 number question, dash is the square root of variance. Then 44 number question, zero order table is also called as, क्या बोला जाएगा? 45 number question, non-malfeasance in research means. 46 number question, a sample is obtained by selecting very ninth participant from the list containing the total population after a random start is called. Okay. 47 number question, degree to which the study accurately answers the question it was intended to answer is called as. 48 number question, which among the following is not an extraneous variable? Okay. 49 number question, a researcher uses parametric test in lieu of non-parametric test for analysis and interpretation of results. This may be described as a case of, क्या बोला जाएगा? 50 number question, formulation of research problem depends on. ओके. यहाँ पे 5 ऑप्शन दिया गया हुआ है, ए बी सी डी ई एंड ई एफ दिया गया हुआ है. यहाँ पे से 4 ऑप्शन हम लोगों को निकालना है. फॉर्मुलेशन ऑफ रिसर्च प्रॉब्लम डिपेंड्स ऑन कौन सा ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट होगा निकालना है. 51 number question, the 4 major operations in scientific research are demonstration of covariance, elimination of spurious relations, sequencing in terms of time order, self-education, operationalization of personal choice and theorization. Okay. कौन सा ज्यादा appropriate होगा यहाँ पे लगाना है हम लोगों को. 52 number question, a variable that is manipulated is known as. 53 number question, the conceptual framework in which research is conducted is called A. ठीक है, conceptual framework. 54 number question, to test null hypothesis a researcher uses. 55 number question, the study in which the investigators attempt to trace an effect is known as. 56 number question, the sequential operations in scientific research are. Okay, A option दिया गया हुआ है covariation, elimination of spurious relations, generalization, theorization. B option है generalization, covariation, theorization, elimination of spurious relations. C number है theorization, generalization, elimination of spurious relations and covariation. D option है elimination of spurious relation, theorization, generalization and covariation. कौन सा ज्यादा appropriate होगा, कौन सा sequence, वो लगाना है हम लोग ऑपरेशंस इन साइंटिफिक रिसर्च. ठीक है. 57 नंबर क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं, सैम्पलिंग एरर decreases with the. 58 number question, the frequency distribution of a research data which is symmetrical in shape similar to a normal distribution but central peak is much higher is known as. ठीक है. 59 number question, which of the following are the basic rules of APA style of referencing format? कौन सा ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट है ये हम लोग को लगाना है 59 नंबर में। 60 नंबर क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं। रिसर्च एथिक्स हैज ए डायरेक्ट कनेक्शन मोर ऑफन विथ व्हिच स्टेजेस ऑफ रिसर्च। 61 number question, dash is the study of being, that is the nature of existence. Okay. 62 number question देख लेते हैं। dash provides a philosophical background for deciding what kinds of knowledge are legitimate and adequate. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 63 नंबर, which among the following is not a theoretical perspective रिसर्च का, ठीक है। 64 नंबर क्वेश्चन, the measure anti positivist stance is known as, okay। 65 number question, experimental research places an emphasis on what। देन 66 एम्पिरिसिज्म मीन्स, एम्पिरिसिज्म कौन से में ज्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट आ रहा है मीनिंग, ठीक है, वो हम लोग को सिलेक्ट करना है। 67 नंबर क्वेश्चन, फैक्टोरियल एनालिसिस इज यूज्ड, ओके। 68 नंबर क्वेश्चन, ए डिडक्टिव आर्गुमेंट इज इनवैलिड इफ इट्स, ओके। Then 69 number question, which of the following is the first step in starting the research process? Okay, searching sources of information to locate problem, survey of related literature, identification of problem, or searching for solution to the problem. Okay, then हम लोग देख लेते हैं 70 number question, which one of the following is not a linear data structure? Array, binary tree, queue, stack. 71 number question, the research which is exploring new facts through the study of the past is called as, क्या बोला जाएगा, फिलोसॉफिकल रिसर्च या फिर हिस्टोरिकल रिसर्च, माइथोलॉजिकल रिसर्च और कंटेंट एनालिसिस। 72 नंबर क्वेश्चन है एक्शन रिसर्च के ऊपर, इज नोन एज व्हाट। 73 number question, which correlation coefficient best explains the relationship between creativity and intelligence, ठीक है। 74 number question, arbitrary zero is the characteristics of which scale। 75 number question, an inferential statistic testing the null hypothesis of independence between two variables is called, कौन सा ज्यादा appropriate होगा, A test या फिर C square, standard deviation और dispersion। 76 number question, the observational description of people or a social unit known as ethnography, participant observation, cohort study or community assessment। 77 number question देख लेते हैं, using violence from a group level of analysis to reach conclusion about individuals is called as, क्या होगा, action research या फिर cohort study, case study या फिर ecological fallacy। 78 number question, a type of relationship between two variables in which cases that are low on one variable are high on the other is called as, कौन सा ज्यादा appropriate होगा, लगाना है हम लोग को। 79 number question, the true values of population characteristics which may only be inferred from the descriptions of these thesis values in a sample is called, क्या बोला जाएगा। 80 number question, a process in which numbers are assigned according to rules of correspondence between definitions and observations is called as। 81 number question, forming theoretical explanation and interpretations from field notes is known as memoing, coding, keying, theorizing। 82 number question, the set of presupposition on which scientific activity is built is called as perspective, hypothesis, paradigm or framework। 83 number question, research design which is used to study the stages in behavior that relate to age is called as, कौन सा ज्यादा appropriate होगा, लगाना है exploratory research design या फिर developmental research design या फिर experimental research design और descriptive research design। बस नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं 84 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is defined as a systematic method of evaluating statistical data based on the results of separate independent studies of the same problem। Then 85 नंबर क्वेश्चन, मेन एम ऑफ इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी रिसर्च इज, यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन ही दो बार रिपीट हो गई है शायद। 85 नंबर ये क्वेश्चन मैंने पहले भी शायद देखा है, ठीक है, फर्स्ट 10 क्वेश्चन में भी था शायद ये क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। तो 86 नंबर क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं, which of the following research specifically requires objectivity to discover facts and causes from the data gathered for the purposes, qualitative research या फिर fundamental research या फिर action या फिर quantitative research। 87 नंबर क्वेश्चन है, which scientific method is a top down और confirmatory approach, ठीक है, deductive या फिर inductive, pattern और hypothesis method। 88 number question, the main difference between longitudinal and cross-sectional resources is in terms of primary versus secondary, frequency of data collection, differences among variables, qualification of the researcher. 89 number question, sine qua non of good research is a well formulated hypothesis या फिर a good research guide, adequate literature or well defined sample. 90 number question, which of the following figures reflect the highest value of Karl Pearson's coefficient of correlation? 91 number question, to test null hypothesis, a researcher will use what test? Authenticity of research finding is. Then 93 number question, experimental research are based on what? 94 number question, an experiment is performed to test the effects of sleep deprivation on root memory. In this experiment, the dependent variable will be or is what? 95 number question, when a research problem is related to heterogeneous population, the most suitable sampling method will be, क्या होगा? क्लस्टर सैंपलिंग या फिर सिंपल रैंडम सैंपलिंग या फिर स्ट्रेटिफाइड सैंपलिंग या फिर कोटा सैंपलिंग. 96 नंबर क्वेश्चन देख लेते हैं. A statistical technique used for predicting one variable from another is called as what? 97 number question, a null hypothesis is, क्या होगा? 98 number question, the term phenomenology is associated with the process of what? क्वालिटेटिव रिसर्च या फिर एनालिसिस ऑफ वेरिएंस या फिर कोरिलेशनल स्टडी या फिर प्रोबेबिलिटी सैंपलिंग. 99 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए रिसर्च टूल इन क्वांटिटेटिव रिसर्च? एफजीडी, ऑब्जर्वेशन या फिर क्वेश्चनियर और डायग्राम. 100 and last question, when two or more successive footnotes refer to the same work, which one of the following expressions is used? क्या होगा यहाँ से? तो गैस यही तक था आज के क्वेश्चन. ये जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया का फर्स्ट पेपर है सोशल साइंस फैकल्टी का, ठीक है, जो फर्स्ट हाफ में हुई थी. आई गेस 10 से लेके 12 तक ये फर्स्ट हाफ में हुई थी ये पेपर. इसका टोटल टाइम था 2 आवर्स एंड 100 क्वेश्चन कंस्टेंट्स थे. एंड आज के क्वेश्चन यही तक है. आज के वीडियो यही मैं एंड करती हूँ. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय.